Hey Rich, this is Nick with Generational Leads. I know you spoke with Viola the other day on the phone, and she was talking about sending you over a quick video of your website, and this is it. So let's dive right into it, and we're going to cover three important topics. We're going to cover keywords, backlinks, and citations. So starting off with keywords, checking out your website here. Super simple. However, there's just not enough content. Okay, so Google wants to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on the homepage alone, depending on how many keywords and stuff you're ranking for. And on the service pages, you also want to have specific keywords as well of what you're providing for each service. So each service should have its own page with keywords directed towards that page itself to rank that page individually. That's the whole purpose, right? So on the service pages, you want about 1,200 or 1,500 words of content as well, just depending again on how many keywords you have. But that's kind of like the layout you want to do. So to give you an idea, if we hop over here to your number one competitor in the area, scrolling through, you can see they have quite a bit of content here, but honestly not as much as you probably should have. But a lot of their stuff, as you can see, all these are different pages, and these break down into their own keywords and own content itself. So rolling over to a tool that I use to kind of make this more clear, these guys are ranking 91 keywords on their website total. So if we go into this to kind of give you an idea, right here, gutter installation Atlanta, 80 people are searching for that every single month. Gutter repair, 70 people are searching for that every single month, right? Gutter installation, 20 people every single month. Gutter installation near me, Atlanta gutter installation, 30 people, right? So all these different keywords start stacking up like Legos, and they add up to each other to create the whole picture in a sense. But we got to make sure that we're using these keywords on the right pages and breaking these up and organizing them correctly to be able to get them found. Now we have these keywords on our website, right? How do we get them found now? So that job is right here. So it's the popularity contest with Google, referring domains and backlinks. How many websites or referring domains can I get to link or backlink to my website? So the more you get of these, the more popular you are. The more popular you are, the more credibility and authority you get, which ranks you higher. Now the caveat is you can't just go and boost these numbers up just like all at once, or go get as many numbers as you can, right? You got to make sure that they're quality links and quality referring domains. What I mean by that is you got to keep them in your industry. You got to keep them in your niche that are relevant about what you do. Otherwise, Google is going to see that as spammy, and it's going to work against you. So one of the ways you guys could do this is kind of the tricky part where the SEO comes in. You dive right in here and you go and copy and paste and do the copycat method of your competitor right here and go get everything that they have, right? So with that being said, you don't want to just stop there though. After getting those, you want to keep going to make sure you dominate your industry and make sure you beat out the competition. So to give you an idea, this is their stats: 250, 74, 91. They're bringing in 96 people every single month to their website. If we look at yours, 178, 33, 54, bringing only 2 people into the website, but it's also because of how we're ranking these keywords and how they're laid out on our website. So the layout is very important, especially how these links are going to our website. So the last thing we want to talk about real quick was citations. So if we type this keyword in, gutters, Marietta, Georgia, and we look at this, they have ads that break down right here. This is the top of Google. Then you have your Google Map Pack. This is where the citations live. And then you have your organic search. Okay, so here's your number one competitors right here. The only way you're going to come up in these top 3 here, this is an ad as you can see. The top 3 right here is if you're ranking organically in this section down here. So what is a citation? A citation is basically a directory listing of your business name, number, and address. And with that being said, it's on a directory such as Facebook, Bing, Yahoo, BBB, etc. And what this does with the citation is it builds trust with Google. So when you have your keywords in place with the right pages and designed appropriately, then you have your backlinks in there bringing power to your website and linking those keywords together, and then you have your citations with trust. Your ranking is going to go through the roof. So I know that was a lot of information, but I was talking to Viola and we wanted to send this over to you. So I know you probably have questions. Feel free to reach out to Viola, and we'll go from there. Thanks.